Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an emergency candle out of a block of butter. Now, we're heading into spring, and soon it'll be storms and tornado season. And in case you find yourself without a candle in a power outage, it's always good to have a block of butter in your fridge. And what you need to do is you need to take a piece of bath tissue or paper towel, make a wick, soak the wick, and roll it in the melted butter. Then make a hole in the middle of the block of butter, and when you light it, it's a little windy out here, but I'm going to try. When you light it, you can turn a block of butter into an emergency candle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.